Example 10.7. The current gain of a common emitter transistor circuit is 120. Draw the DC load line and mark the Q point on it. VBE to be ignored. Okay, the circuit is given here. Now what is given in the problem is the current gain. The current gain here it is common base. Okay, so the current gain is beta. So it is 120. Now what are the other things given here that we have to take it from the diagram? Here RB is equal to 1 mega ohm. Okay, RC is equal to 5 kilo ohm and VCC is given as 25 volt. So all this is given in the diagram. Now we have to find out the Q point and the load line. Okay, now first we'll go for finding the base current. Okay, so IB current. So IB current is passing here. So IB is equal to VCC by, so this is the voltage, VCC by RB. So what is VCC? 25. 25 by voltage is how much? 1 mega ohm. So 1 into 10 raised to 6. Okay. So it is 25 into 10 raised to minus 6. That is 25 micro ampere. Now we can find out IC. We know beta is equal to IC by IB. So what is IC? IC is equal to beta into IB. Beta is given in the problem. How much? 120. 120 into IB we have calculated. That is 25 microampere. So 25 into 10 raised to minus 6. So if you multiply 120 by into 25, that is 3000 into 10 raised to minus 6. So that is 3000 microampere. Okay, which can be written as 3 milliampere. Okay, now we have to find it out VCE. Okay, so what is VCE? How to calculate VCE? VCE is VCC minus, VCC is the current passing here. So the VCC minus IC into RC. Okay, so VCC minus IC into RC. What is the VCC? 25 minus IC. IC is 3 milliampere. So to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 into RC value is how much? 5 kilo ohm. So 5 into 10 raised to 3. Okay. So what will I get? This and this will get cancelled. It is 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10 volt. So this is your VCC. CE. Now we have to draw the DC load line. Okay. So DC load line and you have to mark the Q point. Now to draw DC load line, we should have these 2 points. That is the point A should be what? VCC comma 0 and the point B should be 0 comma VCC by RC. Okay, these two are the points. This should be X comma 0. This is 0 comma Y. Okay, so this is in X axis and this is in Y axis. Now what is the A point? A point is VCC comma 0. What is the value of VCC? So that is 25 comma 0. Okay, what is the value of VCC by RC? That is 25 by 5 kilo ohm. Okay, so what will you get here? It is 0 comma 5 milliampere. You will get it. Okay, now we have to draw a graph by taking VCE along the x-axis and IC along the y-axis. Okay. Now we have drawn a graph by taking VCE along the x-axis and IC along the y-axis. Okay. Now I am going to mark the points A and B. Now what is A? A is 25 comma 0. So here this is your A. So this point is 25 comma 0. So this I am going to mark it as A. Okay, and B is 0, 5 milliampere. So here you will be getting. This is 0, 5 milliampere. Now we can draw a line here. Now this line we call it as what? The DC load line. We'll call it as the DC load line. Now we have to draw the Q point. Okay. It should be in the middle of the DC load line. Okay. So I can draw it here in the middle of the DC load lines. So this will be marked as what? Q. So if you draw the line here. Okay. So this will be a Q point. Okay. So this will be a what? Q point. So we have shown the DC load line and the Q point in the graph.